Hello fellow couponers, today I'm going to do a short Ibotta review video on how you can save money on common items in the produce section like garlic and avocados. And in this scenario I shopped at natural grocers, so I'm going to show you how to go about getting the rebates for those. Also, I want to point out that today is January 19th and I shopped on the 17th of January. So one of the nice things about Ibotta is that you have to claim the rebates within 1 week of buying the items. So it's really nice because if a rebate comes about, for example, I don't think the avocado rebate was available a couple of days ago, but when I checked today it was. So I get to save money on avocados if I had scanned this receipt 2 days ago, I might not have. Okay, once you're in the Ibotta app, I want to choose natural grocers, and as you can see I already have it saved under my favorite stores, so I will choose that. I've already selected the any rebates, but something else you can do is go up to this little search icon and type in any, and then they'll either auto-populate or you can hit search, and then it will show you all the offers available for any brand. So you've got Brussels sprouts, protein powder, and then you can see where I've marked the avocados and the any item cash back. It looks like the garlic doesn't work for natural grocers, which is another one of the things that is a little bit confusing about Ibotta. To show you, if I go out of natural grocers and I go into the general search bar and I type in any, they auto-populate any bar, any grocery store, and then you see that you have lots of options here, including the garlic. So it just looks like natural grocers doesn't give you a rebate for the garlic, and that's where I shop, so that's what I have to do. So to redeem it, I just hit redeem, choose the store where I went, which is natural grocers, and then as you can see, the receipt has to be from natural grocers. The date of purchase is between 1/12 and 1/19. Again, today is the 19th. I did these on the 17th, so that's really cool about Ibotta. Hit continue. Then it's going to ask me to scan the receipt. This is a long receipt, so I might have to take several photos. And you just line up the sides of the receipt with the sides that are on the app, these sides. So then I'm just going to add the next section. It gives me the opportunity to press that button. So it ended at the total, so I'll find that total level again and hit add section. And then one more time I'll need to do just the very bottom of the receipt. Even if the very bottom doesn't have any information that's really valuable, Ibotta will require it. So then you hit finish when you're done, and it will ask, are you finished? And you say, I'm finished. And then I'm going to choose the items that I got. So 25 cents cash back on any grocery receipt, any item, and then the avocados. So I'm going to add 2 purchases for 50 cents, collect 50 cents, and then it's submitting the receipt, sending 99%, and then it will take me back to Ibotta to do more shopping if I want. I could redeem another receipt, or I could hit done, which I usually do, and then when the receipt has been submitted, it's going to appear right here. You can see that it's currently pending. You can see that yesterday I redeemed a $25 Amazon gift card. So again, that's that little bell. It tells you what your current notifications are at the moment. Then I can also go into my account And you can see that I only have $1.65 right now, and I have to get to $20 to withdraw cash back. My lifetime earnings are over several years, so I was actually looking into that because I wanted to show you guys that, more of an idea on a monthly basis. So you can see here, November was a great month for me. September was great too, but right now I'm only at $7.75. There just haven't been a lot of offers this month so far. Usually I do this, you know, with my couponing deals to get stuff for free or make them money makers, and so that's how I had really good months in September and November. And then you can see the natural grocers that I just submitted is right there. So wait, let's go back and see if it's already been processed. Sometimes it processes it really fast, like especially Walmart receipts, and then sometimes it doesn't. Yep. So it's already processed. I got the 50 cents at Natural Grocers, and that is done. If you're interested in joining my team, there's a team of people. You can use my referral code, which I'll include in the About section below, or just a link that you can easily click on. Invite friends. So they have a current promo. So if you were to download the app, you could do this as well, that you earn $100 when you successfully refer 10 friends. Now the 10 friends, they have to download the app and then redeem a rebate in order for you to get the referral fee. But I think right now, and this varies depending on the promos that Ibotta is doing, that you get $5 back. I get $5 and you get $5 for signing up through me. And then sometimes they run a $10 one where you get $10 after you buy your first rebate, and then I get $10. Alright guys, let me know what questions you have in the About section below. I really like Ibotta for a lot of reasons, but especially for the opportunity to save money on organic produce, which is really a rare thing these days to be able to do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Helps my channel grow and helps me bring you more Ibotta reviews, more app reviews like this. For example, after I'm done with Natural Grocers, I'll go into Receipt Hog, which is this app, and I will scan this receipt to get points towards my Receipt Hog purchases. I'm going to do a future review on the Receipt Hog app, but for now I will link to our older one, which will kind of explain it anyway. It's just had some updates since then. And it's the same process of taking the photo of the receipt, and then once all your receipts are, and you can see I actually did that the other day with Natural Grocers, and so I got, they have a weird point system and everything, so I'll just include a link to the review I did a few years ago so you can read or check it out, but just know that it's been updated since then. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.